Hello friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to your favorite channel CYANVAS. Today we will learn how to draw figurative composition with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. So friends, today we will learn how to draw a very easy cityscape scenery drawing with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. At first we will draw a round shape for the head and an inverted glass shape for the body. Also draw the pant with a rectangle. Now draw another little figure following the same process, but here we will change the pant. Now draw the shoes, also the hands. Now come to the detailing. See, we will gradually complete the detailing. We will gradually complete the detailing. Now draw another figure with a round shape and two rectangle shape. Now we will use a ruler and draw a curve in this way, a rectangle shape and a half circle. Draw the windows and wheels. Now draw the road. Here we can see a zebra crossing. Here we will draw some vertical lines for the buildings. Now draw the detailing in this way. All are different types. Draw the windows. Here we will add something, signal lights. So our drawing is completed. Now we will use black sketch pen for the outline. Now let's start the color. Here we will use pastel color. At first complete the figure. Here we will use peach color for the skin, chrome yellow color for the shirt and a dark brown for the pant. See, here we will complete the color very brightly. Following this process, we will complete the whole painting. So complete it with me and enjoy the video. So friends, our whole drawing is completed and it's looking so gorgeous. I'm sure that everyone can draw this drawing very easily. Just follow the process properly. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. I'm sure that you can learn so many things from our channel. So stay with us